Hello and welcome back, family. My name is Jalecia and I am one half of Digital Green Book. In today's video, I'm going to be walking you through a very simple guide to ownership. That is correct. You're reading that absolutely right. I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin on CashApp and send it to Exodus wallet for safekeeping. Now, please note before moving forward, unfortunately, CashApp is not allowed in every region. And if you happen to fall into one of these regions, please reach out to us through one of the links below and we can walk you through a different plan for how you can buy a Bitcoin. All right. But if you are allowed to get the app, go ahead and do so from your Google Play or your Apple App Store, and do so with an encrypted email address. Please, we highly recommend Proton Mail. It's just another layer of security that you're going to need moving forward into the crypto space. Verification. After you have successfully linked a funding source, bank account, or debit card, toggle over to the stocks and crypto page. The first time you activate a transaction on this page, there is a verification window of about 24 hours or more, enabled to unlock your ability to send and receive cryptocurrency. Step 5. Enable the withdrawals and deposits. Here on this page, all you need to do is enable withdrawals and deposits. You will only need to do this process one time, and it may take, again, up to 24 hours to actually get verified. If you haven't already uploaded your information, such as driver's license or any other form of identification, they're going to need that. And if you have already submitted, they may not ask for it, but be prepared anyway. So now that you are verified, you can buy Bitcoin. All you need to do is press buy, and it's going to take you over to another page where you can enter into the amount. And note, you do not have to buy a whole Bitcoin. As we speak, Bitcoin is, Bitcoin is $32,000. So no, you do not have to buy a whole one. You can buy a fraction of one, which is called a Satoshi, and you can enter any amount you so desire. So now that you've entered the amount you want to purchase, confirm the purchase and notice the fee. Yes, there will be a fee for buying Bitcoin on Cash App. It's a part of the process. Click confirm. And in this example, you can see I bought about $500 worth with a fee of about $8.81. To withdraw, you're going to first need to download the Exodus wallet. This is going to be a program that you can download to your actual desktop. All right. Once you have been successfully approved, you can withdraw, and you can immediately withdraw and transfer any Bitcoin purchases to any other Bitcoin address you prefer outside of Cash App. If you have downloaded Exodus wallet, you can go into where you see BTC, click the receive to get the actual destination you will need to send it from Cash App. Copy this receive address. Come back over to Cash App, paste the receive address, click send in Cash App, and you have successfully purchased Bitcoin and transferred it to Exodus for safekeeping. Now, please, we highly recommend that you go in and get familiar with Exodus, find out where those private keys are, and happy trading.